Grammy, almost done. One leg. Where's your other leg? Give me your other leg. Oh no. Oh, gee. This is not good. Get over here. Come on. Come over here. I can't put your pants on like that. Peekaboo. How am I supposed to get her pants on? Oh, forgot. Now I don't know what's the front and what's the back. What? Okay. Gotcha. Gotcha, spaghetti. Oh, no. Please. Oh, I can't do it. I can't do it, honey. I don't want to give up. No. Come over here. Isabella Gemma. Can I have that? Oh, I am so tired. Oh, good. Hope it stays with you now. At least I have a footing. Okay, I'll go with it like this, she says. Oh, I'm so tired, honey.